Today we're removing the front door panel and speaker from a Lexus GS330. We've done all three speakers on this car for some weird static and squealing and found each speaker's gone bad one at a time. So today we're finishing the job up. We're going to start with our pry bar. Move to the small triangular panel at the top of the dash. This will pry off and release. We're going to go to the little panel inside the door open cavity. Prying the back of this panel up, it will release and remove. We're going to move to our pry bar to the control panel and pry the front and rear edges of the control panel up. This will release up, out, and give us access to a connector here at the back of this panel with a trigger towards the center of the connector. And we'll release these connectors. The trigger is located at the center of the connector. You push it down to release the lock and the connector will remove. With the control panel removed, this is going to give access to one Phillips screw in this opening. We're going to remove this screw. This is a long silver screw, and sometimes it can loosen, be difficult to remove from the opening. We're going to move up to the handhold to the door open handle where we removed the panel earlier, remove this Phillips screw as well. This is a black screw. Now this frees the panel up, and with our pry bar we're going to pry along the back bottom edge of the panel. Pull pressure also works as well, and we're going to pull this panel from the door to release it. The clips here all release with pry and pull pressure. When the panel is completely released, you can see the bottom will hinge back, and we can lift it up out of the window jamb and access several connectors here at the back. We have linkage for the door open handle and door lock. These both pull up, out, come around, and the ball on the end releases. Next we have several connectors here at the front of the panel dealing with several of the controls here. These connectors again all have triggers on them. Squeeze the trigger in and release the connector. Then we're going to pull the panel back to access the courtesy light here at the back on the bottom. This connector has a trigger on it as well that releases. We're going to check the door for any door panel clips that were not removed with the door panel. There's one here. We're going to pry this clip from the door, and it will go back into its original spot on the door panel at the back of the door panel. Set this door panel to the side, ready for installation. This is going to give us access to the speaker on the door. There are three screws that secure it to the door, along with one connector at the top with a trigger that we're going to release and remove. See our website for installing aftermarket speakers in this vehicle. We do have a video for that. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.